An Indian chartered accountant who wants to seek global career opportunities, well, look no further, you have arrived at the right place. With globalization, with so many offshore clients and offshore assignments coming to India, with so many countries in the West and the employers therein outsourcing their work to India, the demand for international certifications has only grown over the last 5 years, and it is poised to grow at an even faster rate in the years to come. So when you have so many opportunities lined up and you are already an Indian chartered accountant, then you should be willing to explore what other career opportunities lie ahead in front of you with all these global opportunities coming to India. My pick for this would be thinking about the ACCA qualification and evaluating it. ACCA stands for the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. And let me tell you, the right kind of push that you need to propel your career on a global stage, ACCA is just the right course for you. With your Indian CA curriculum, you have doubtlessly mastered concepts like Ind AS. You know a lot that is to know about company law, about Indian taxation laws, about strategic financial management, and many more such disciplines. And the ACCA curriculum can be the right complement to your chartered accountancy qualification, and it can land you job opportunities that you might have never thought about. With the ACCA curriculum, given that you are already an Indian chartered accountant, I think the opportunities for you are limitless. With your Indian chartered accountancy qualification, you are eligible to get 9 exemptions out of the total 13 papers that a candidate is supposed to write. So you only have to write 4 papers. Strategic Business Leader, which is a case study based, scenario based examination. Strategic Business Reporting, which is an advanced or a similar version of the financial reporting paper that you have written in your CA final. And you have 4 option papers: Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Auditing and Assurance, Advanced Taxation, and Advanced Performance Management. Out of these 4, you have to pick up only 2. Write these 4 papers and you have a global chartered certification under your belt. And now just think about the opportunities that you can pursue. You get opportunities in financial accounting advisory services, a separate division that all the big 4s and the big 6 companies operate. So that is a brilliant career opportunity for you. You can also get exposure to international audit clients where you can apply the knowledge base that you have learned and explore more clients in different domains. If you pick up the advanced taxation paper with a different country variant like the United Kingdom variant, the Malaysia or the Singapore variant, or many such variants that are available, you can even seek opportunities with respect to taxation assignments from these international clients from different countries at the same time. So with an ACCA qualification, even that particular domain, that particular field opens up for you. You will get brilliant opportunities in international taxation as well, based on this very lethal combination of ACCA and CA put together. Please understand that with the Advanced Performance Management exam, you can also aim for job opportunities in management consulting, a field that has remained rather elusive to so many of us out there. So the ACCA qualification coupled with your CA qualification can open up so many career opportunities for you which you might not have thought earlier. You can also think about secondment opportunities and going overseas for these assignments, provided you are working with an employer that has, such opportunities available. You could also definitely explore what career opportunities can be availed while you are sitting in the comfort of your homes in India as well. So the opportunities are limitless, and being an Indian chartered accountant has already helped you to get 9 exemptions out of 13, which means you only have to write 4 papers. I am an Indian chartered accountant myself who later on went ahead to complete my ACCA, and let me tell you, the opportunities that it opened up for me literally brought about a complete change in my career and in my life. So I would urge you to explore this career opportunity even. All you have to do is you have to comment in the chat section, and we will have our expert counselors reach out to you who can give you the right kind of guidance in terms of how ACCA along with your CA can help you to build your career further. For more such details, make sure that you comment and we'll have our expert counselors reach out to you. One more point, for all of those who have completed their CA Inter, there is more in terms of career opportunities with the ACCA qualification. Please watch the next video to know more about how, along with your CA Inter, you can carve out a brilliant career roadmap for yourself with the ACCA qualification.